Hi everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the process of creating your own Flash token on both the ERC20 and TRC20 networks. For this project we'll need a small investment of 0.1 ETH which will allow us to create 70,000 Flash USDT tokens. Let's dive in. First head over to Remix and create a new file named USDT-sol. Paste the code provided in the description into this file. Next, navigate to the compilation section, select version 0.6.6 plus and click on Compile. Once compiled successfully, we can move on. Now let's deploy our contract. Connect your wallet by selecting Wallet Connect and linking your MetaMask wallet, as it tends to work best for this process. In the token name field, enter the name of your token. In my case, it's USDT. For the token symbol, specify the network. If you are creating an ERC20 token, write ERC20, and for TRC tokens, use TRC20. In my case, it's ERC20. Click the Transact button. You'll see a window where you should round your amount to the nearest integer to avoid gas-related errors during transaction confirmation. Click Confirm and wait for transaction confirmation. Great, the transaction is successful and we've created our contract. We go to Etherscan and make sure that the contract has been created. Now it needs to be replenished. Copy the contract address and transfer 0.1 Ether to it. Remember, sending less than this amount may cause issues. After confirming the transaction, we'll wait for it to be processed. We are waiting for the balance to be displayed. After displaying, click on the Start button and round the value again to a whole number. Confirm the transaction. Our tokens have been created successfully. The final step is to withdraw them. Click Withdraw and follow the same steps as before. After waiting for confirmation, we check our balance. And there you have it. Our tokens are created and everything went smoothly. If you encounter any difficulties or have questions, feel free to reach out to me on Telegram @Davila Drake.